Imagine yourself in this Chrysler 2018 Pacifica Touring L. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, GPS antenna input, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.